Happy Monday! Look at all these pavers and coping. We are at Grand Lake, one of our beloved neighborhoods. Awesome people in here. Just looked at a couple more pools, and I'm coming to check some progress at another residence. We just did their neighbors a couple doors down, did that one in 59 days. Don't count on it always being that way. It just worked out perfect, but most of the time around 90 or so. I bet you this one's gonna be probably closer to that 60-ish. Check it out. All right, waterline tile is in, coping is going in. We'll get the coping on the spa. Look at the nice lake view. Nice. We're gonna continue the walkway, put the walkway back. I like this design, you know? Pretty cool. Got a little sitting bench over there. Got a nice sun shelf. Got some steps. Another bench over here. I like it. I like it. Let's see here. Got multiple jets. Let's take a step inside here. Check these jets out. Look at that. That's going to be a real massage on your back. I mean, look at the step down. I call that the king's chair. You know, get you up to your neck, get a good neck massage, shoulder massage. That's the way you're supposed to do it. Most people don't, though. I'm going to tell you. I can't tell you how many pools and other quotes that I see, and people just want to be quick, sell, and not tell people the way it could be, the way you can get a proper massage. You know, that's what I would want. I think you'd want a proper massage. If I taught my wife how to get one, but that don't happen very often. Anyhow, I just want to check in, say happy Monday, check out the progress. You all have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one.